Racist? Do you guys think that we're racist? I want today to start out with such a good day, so let's start with some stainer. What's up, buddy? You can't go wrong with the old stains. Look at them carrots on top growing in strong. All right, let's feed the rest of these guys. So we got a comment the other day, but saying that Jared feeds the animals a little nicer than I do. I'm not really sure what that meant, so today I'm gonna feed the animals so nice that they'll probably give me a hug afterwards. All right, it's time to feed these guys. Hey, look at this. All right. I'm here to feed, ouch. This ain't going so well. I love you, you love me, we're a happy family. I'm just gonna sing them some songs while I feed them. I love you, you love me, we're a happy family. But they ran away from me. Hey, I love you, buddy. I love you with all my heart. Let's go see how they take my singing over here. Hey, Grandma. I love you, you love me, we're a happy family. I'm not sure if that helped at all, but they're still eating the same. So I just fed the quail, urban homesteaders. They're coming for you. All we gotta do is sext them, and then we don't want to give you all of them because that's a lot to handle, but we want to give you more females, hopefully like, I don't know, 5 female and 1 male, so you can actually get some eggs, do it right. So we're gonna try to sex these guys and hook you all up, probably I would assume this weekend. Nice fresh grass. So I'm sure a lot of you are curious like why we keep our rabbit out here. No top on here. We don't get predators, not like that, air predators. We've had her outside for like 2 years out in the garden. But this is why, look. See that grass right there? That's where she was yesterday. She was here the day before, the day before, day before, day before, day before, day before. And you see right here? That's where she was like a week ago. So our grass actually used to be nothing but dirt out here. And then our grass used to be real thin like this. Watch, let me show you. It was like this, where it's very spotty. And then we started growing some ryegrass during the winter. And then we moved her around everywhere. And it has just helped this so much to where it's actually grown out. So look at this, look how thick this is. That's actually some grass we can halfway be proud of. And so that's kind of why we stick her out there. Yes, we're gonna get another rabbit. We're getting a couple of meat rabbits. She's a pet, but we'll have them so they can kind of hang out and stuff. But guys, I'm looking over at our neighbor Tom and Rhonda's house over there, and they got some new goats. So let's go check those out. So if you didn't know who Tom and Rhonda are, they're our neighbors. They've helped us out since day 1, since we got out here. That's our barn back there. We're just right here at the property, but guys, check this out, check this out. What's up? Look at him over there. Come on. They got, I think, 4 dwarf goats right now, and then they're getting 2 more. They're gonna get 2 more female that are pregnant. And so they just started getting in with these goats. Look how calm this baby is. as I said, it runs off. But they're super nice, they're super small. And then they also have some chickens and ducks. Look at these chickens. These chickens are young. That's my hand. That's like the size of a football. Look at these ducks. They're younger than our chickens and ducks, but they're huge. I think they're leghorn for the chickens, and then pecking, I think it's Peking is the white ducks. And so I think we're gonna get some meat birds like that. But these little goats are so cool. Here's a house we built for them a while back, so let's check this out. Y'all remember we built this house whenever we were giving them Bam Bam. Look at them in there. Chickens and goats in there hanging out. So we're super excited for them to have these animals. It's something that we're excited about because they're our neighbors and we love to experience this farm life with other people. And we kind of partnered up. They helped us get an incubator for our eggs, and we're gonna help each other with the goats. And they took Bam Bam when we needed a break. They're just the nicest people in the world. And yesterday I found out that their lawnmowers, the goats freaking out because it's a baby, and it was bottle fed, so it loves people. They've helped us out so much, and they let us borrow their lawnmower when ours broke. Well, theirs is kind of having trouble, so they're taking it to the shop. So today, Tom and Rhonda are at work, and I'm gonna go mow their yard so when they get back, they don't have to. They're nurses, and they work long days. I mean, super long days, to where they need some time off to rest, and that all they do is work. And so, you know, whether they're at work or at home. So we're going to help them out and mow some of the yard. You know, trying to be good neighbors because they helped us, we helped them. The chicken literally just came out. These eggs are super warm. So we're collecting these eggs throughout today, and then tomorrow. We've been doing it for the last 2 days or so. And then we're gonna put them in the incubator and do our second round. We got 12 chicks last time. This time we're gonna see if we can get about the same and expand our flock. All right, guys, it's time to go mow the neighbor's yard. And I got my trusty ear protection on so I don't hurt my sensitive ears. Just kidding. I'm gonna be blasting punk rock music as loud as I can and probably messing my ears up. So let's go do this. All right, I just did some mowing for Tom and Rhonda and them, and I came back just to check on the animals and everything, feed them a little more. But I figured I want to talk about something. We got called out by some YouTubers, and yes, there's been some stuff going on the past few days on our channel, and so we got called out. But it wasn't what we were expecting. We got told, hey, someone's going live right now. They're talking about you. Let you know, maybe you could jump on. And so they were talking about our videos and everything that we've been doing lately. They just found us, and they gave us nothing but respect. And they said that they, you know, appreciate what we did, and they gave us a shout out. Their YouTube channel is called North Country Off Grid. And then Bobblehead Homestead has been calling us out in comments. But not what you think. It's super funny. He's making fun of our situation and saying that, you know, talking about carrots and stuff. And so we wanted to give him a shout out also and basically say this guy gets it. He gets our sense of humor. He gets what's going on. He's actually doing a shed to house. He's in Arkansas, and this guy bought, I don't know, 3 acres or 5 acres or something like that for like a couple $1,000, like super cheap, but the property was trashed, and there was a mobile home on it that was trashed, and now he's doing a shed to house, and the whole community and on YouTube and stuff is just helping this guy out, and that's what we like. We like community. We like people coming to help you, and that guy, he has Parkinson's, I believe, and that's why his channel's called Bobblehead, because he sits there and shakes, and he makes fun of it, well, in the nicest way, of himself because he shakes. He calls himself Bobblehead. I'm assuming that's why he calls him that. And so that's why we think, you know, between him naming his channel that and the comments he's been doing, he gets the same sense of humor that we have. And so we want to give him a shout out. So guys, if you go to his page, it's Bobblehead Homestead, and comment and say, the Crockers said they want to come visit you one day. Go comment that and say, the Crockers said they're going to come visit you soon. Let's help this guy out. I think he's got like 8,000 subscribers, something like that, but he's got a good following, he's got good people, good community. So if we can get in with that community and his community can get with ours, and then we can get that community together, and then that community together, we can get with Northern Country Off-Grid, which you guys know need to go give them a shout out, comment on their video, and to say, hey, the Crockers, just comment on theirs and say, the Crockers said thank you for the support. Let's get their community and put it with our community, with the other community, with Arms Family Homesteads community, with Keeping It Dutch's community, and you know, all of them. And guys, this community is gonna get so big and so strong, and it's gonna be nothing but like-minded people that thank each other and help each other and just have the super strong community that just can't be broken. And so guys, we're gonna put all those links down in the description. They'll be the first thing you see in the show notes. And so go subscribe to their pages, hit the notification button, hit the subscribe button, comment and tell them the Crockers said thank you and that they're coming for you, they're coming to help you out. And let's build this community. And as I always say, and Jared makes fun of me, nothing would make me happier than to see this community grow, and I would be super pumped. So guys, let's all get super pumped together. Guys, we got a comment on a video, and this lady said that she was glad she found our videos and stuff, and then she said, but I don't think you're gonna like me. And we're just like, why? Like, we're glad to have you here. You know, you're part of the family now. She said, well, I'm black. And I said, yes, and you're a part of our family. And so I just don't understand, you know, do people think we're racist? Because I like all sorts of races. NASCAR races, go-kart races, foot races, people running from the cops races. What?
Rubber duck races.
Rubber duck races, downhill derby races. Jared's mad at me and is chasing me around the yard races. What other races? When my wife is mad at me, she's chasing me around the yard races. Guys, we like all kind of races. So don't think we're racist. So guys, I think that's going to do it for the day. If you're new to our channel, we post every single day. Whatever you watch today is what we did today. We film, edit, and upload in the same day for the most part. So if you are new here, you know, we just want to say thank you guys. Our family page has just been blowing up. You know, we just want to thank you guys for watching and subscribing and sticking around, and we love when you guys comment. It's been crazy. We've been getting a lot of comments lately saying, you know, we reach out to these other people and they don't even comment back. We think it's crazy. So don't be scared to leave comments down below, because we will comment back. We try so hard to comment back. And guys, please remember to go subscribe and check out Bobblehead Homestead and North Country Off-Grid, even Urban Homesteaders. And so we're gonna throw all those links down there in the bottom. Go check them out, comment, tell them the Crockers sent you, and Bobblehead, we're coming to help you out. Northern Country Off-Grid, my bad, North Country Off-Grid. Thank you so much for the support. It means a lot, coming from another channel pretty close to the same size as ours. And so we're starting to find out it doesn't matter if it's a small channel or a big channel, we all stick together, and that's the community we're trying to build, and we like it. And so guys, thank you so much for watching. I promise we're gonna try to put Jaylena and Jared in the video tomorrow, and hopefully Jaylena's doing well. Please keep her in your thoughts, prayers. I don't know, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what it's gonna hold. So thanks for everything. See you later.